Hi, welcome back. Sometimes we may want to copy and paste the data into R instead of downloading the entire file. Sometimes we may require a specific portion of the data, copy them and paste it into R tables. In this video, let us see how to do it. I will demonstrate two functions which will be useful for us to copy the data from clipboard to R. One is read.table, another one is read.delim. Let us see both positives and negatives in these two functions. Let me copy the data from an Excel file. I'll just copy this price, first few data. Copying. Let me try with this. Read.table in between. In quotation marks, we have to type a clipboard. Let us see the output. It has been imported, but it's not showing the headers. Header is showing as a first row. Now let us see with another variation. We can use the option header is equal to true. Let us see the output here. Now it is imported properly. Header is coming and data also showing in the down. Now let us see with another variation. In this column, all the data has been separated by some space. Let us see what happened if we copy this type of data. I'm coming from the beginning. Let us see the output here. It is showing into two columns, which is not the desired requirement. For that, what I am going to do, even this second line also will show the same. Two columns it is showing. For that, what I am trying to say, we have to give the input. The separator is not the space. It is actually tab. Backward slash with the T is equal to tab. Let's see the output here. Now it's imported properly. We can also put another separator also other than space. This also will show same. Now let us try with the second function read.delim. Let me copy the same data which we have done earlier. It is importing the headers and the data. No need to mention whether header is available or not. By default, it is showing, if we see the syntax, header is equal to true is the default. Separator is already they have taken as a tab delimited. So in this, no need to mention the header and tab delimited. Let us also try with space separated data. This also showing properly here. The same data, it was not coming properly in the read.table by using the default options. It was showing into two columns. Unless we put the tab delimited, tab separator, now it is showing correctly. Now let us try with more than one column. I'm just copying from here to here. Copying. Now let us try both the functions. First I am getting some error because it is trying to import the data with space delimited, but the spaces are not uniform across the fields. Due to that, we are getting some error. Let us see with the read.delimited. It's importing correctly. Let us see the output. It's importing correctly because here the default separator is tab, so we are not getting any error here. Then how can we import the data in read.table? Let us try by inputting the separator here. Here I am putting header is equal to true and separator is tab delimited. Let us see the output here. Now it is importing correctly. Let us try with another scenario. Let us copy a comma separated values and paste it here. Let me open a CSV file in Notepad. I'm just copying the top three records. Copying. Let us try both places. Here still I am getting error. Since I put that separator as tab delimited, entire data has been loaded into one column. So we have to give the separator as comma. Now it is imported properly. Let us try with the read.delimited. What do you expect? It will import in one column or multiple columns? Let us check. Here also it is showing as a single column. So we have to give the separator. After inputting the separator as comma, it is imported properly. What would be the output or data type of this imported data? Let us check. It is a data frame. If you want to convert to any other type of tabular format, we can convert them by using the relevant functions. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for the more valuable content.